Let's read this question. If a body covers equal displacements with constant acceleration in time intervals of time, t1, t2, and t3, show that 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2 plus 1 by t3 equal to 3 divided by t1 plus t2 plus t3. Okay, some calculation. We have to, let's see that how we can manage this also. Equal displacements with constant acceleration in time intervals of time t1, t2, t3. What can be the possible path equation? So let me again, this will be u, initial velocity u, equal displacements. This path equation is something very important. I recommend this, everyone should go for path. This one, equal displacement is telling. So let's see that what will happen to the time interval. Equal displacements, S. The time intervals are t1, t2, t3. These are the time intervals. So with a constant acceleration. So what is acceleration? S will assume that to be okay. No. So what do you expect? T1, T2, T3, some anything. So T3 should be less than time taken. So here I think there's some general information what we must aware. T3 less than T2 less than T1. This is what happens in uniform accelerated motion. Time taken for equal displacements will decrease. T3 less than T2 less than T1. Of course, this may not be useful, but we must be aware of this also. Okay, let's write all the possible equations. So the first, looking at the first interval time t1, s equal to u1 t plus a1 t1 square. So therefore, s by t1 s by t1 equal to u plus a t1 by 2. This is equation 1. Similarly, for the next interval, for the interval of time t1 plus t2. This is the equation for the interval time t1. Now for the interval of time t1, t2, what is the displacement of the body? Equal to 2s. So therefore this 2s should be equal to u t1 plus t2 . Okay, this let me primary call this as equation A. Equation B. So some number I'll give it. Sorry, this should be the equation A. Let this be the equation B. So let me go for the difference of these two, A minus B. Why I'm doing? To show that. I have to prove this. So therefore, I'm just searching for what method. Say we know this one. Now what is the concept? If the equations of motion is what we are going to apply it. Now this A minus B, this will be 2s minus s equal to, directly I'm writing the step ut2 plus a, this will be a t1 square after all the simplification will end up this much of the thing. So here s by t2 u plus a by 2, one t2 has taken common, so this will become t2 plus t1. Let me call this as equation 2, this as equation 1. You might be surprised. So why you are giving numbers like that? Just only for my convenient, we have just given the numbers let this equation be A. This is just only T1 we took common and sent to the numerator denominator of LHS. Then we'll end up this equation. Similarly here also, after subtracting and expanding this and subtracting with this, we'll end up this equation. Okay, no. What is the other thing? So let me write one more equation. 3s is equal to A T1 plus T2 plus T3 whole square by 2. So then this will be, let me call this equation as okay, I'll expand it. Then we'll see what will end up. T1 plus T3 plus, oh, expansion of this will be, let me expand this. T1 square, T2 square, T3 square will be 2T1 T2 plus T2 T3 plus, I need a little bit space. Let me adjust that equation here only or on this line. No, so this will become T1 T2 T1 T2. So this equation, let me call C. Then 3s by T1 plus T2 plus T3. Okay, no, we have different things. So we have to just show that, that there's a purpose why we are bringing the equations of form like this. Okay, let me do B minus C, the mathematics. Let me take the difference of these two equations. 3s minus 2s will be s. Then u23. AT1 square plus AT2 square by 2 will get eliminated. 2T1 T2 will get eliminated. So I'll be left over with T3 square B minus C. S equal to U23 A by 2. Oh, okay, this will be T3 square 2T1 T3 plus 2T2 T3. Oh, somebody, okay, this one, negative sign. Yeah. Let me take T3 common. Then I'll simplify further S by T3. It is like this. S by T3 is equal to U minus A by 2. T3 plus 2T1 plus 2T2. This equation 3 over, I'll call this as equation 4. let me do one thing. 1 minus 2 plus 3. 1 minus 2 plus 4. We'll do one thing. I'll keep it here. Below that, it'll be okay. There's the initial part of the all the calculation. So now what we have to do is like 1 minus 2 plus 4. Because what is the question that is asked? 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2 plus 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2. Look at the LHS. So therefore, it's a better like if I can take like this equation 1 minus 2 plus 4. Going for this will be s by t1, s by t2. So u plus a t1 by 2, u plus a by 2, t2 plus t1 minus of this. After this, it will be u minus a by 2, t3 plus 2t1 plus t2. Okay, this will I think it is very lengthy still. Let me, I don't have page. Let me go for a few more steps. So this will become s by t1, s by t2, s by t3 is equal to one un minus u, one cancel out. Okay, well, I'll bring all the things in order so that will be easy for you. at1 by 2 plus at1 by 2. at2 by 2. Yeah, this part. at1 by 2, at1 by 2. This is at2 by 2. Negative sign, negative sign, negative sign. I'm expanding this bracket minus u. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, so a little bit more terms are there. Let me put everything in order, then I'll simplify it. This will be u. Then plus u. a3 by 2, then a t1 plus a t2. Okay, let's do one thing. What all terms at1 by 2, at1 by 2. This will get eliminated. This minus u plus u. This will get cancelled out. So what will be left over now? The leftover thing will be u minus att by at2 negative sign, at1 by 2 minus 3 at2 by 2 minus at3 by 2. t1 plus 3t2. All these are positive. Hope I think I'll even I myself finding little bit very lengthy. Let me try to reach the answer. u plus a by 2. I think we are missing some sign, negative sign. Oh. S is equal to b minus c. We took it, no? Let me just verify myself. B minus c. So it will be 3s minus 2s u t1 a t1 square t2 square, that will cancel out. Here I think I have to check once this equation. This will be a t1 t2 square. This will cancel out. B minus c we took it, no? So here a t1 square t2 square, that will cancel out. This will become positive. Huh? Oh, I think somewhere I lost the sign. So this should be this RHS minus this RHS. Yeah, okay, fine. This is, we'll end up this one. Okay, minus a, T3 we took outside. Say 2 plus 4, 1 by T1. So the question was asked like this, to find out 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Okay, 3 should be there. Okay, it will come. Okay, then finally we landed up here. S is equal to that S should be eliminated from the equation. 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Okay, yeah, some correction. Yeah. Okay, now we'll go for simplification of this. This will be u minus a by 2 t1 plus t2 plus t3 minus a t2 will come. So the other will be t2 will be there. Any equation. So we have to bring that S into the picture. U minus a t2. T1 plus T2, T3, any equation is there? Yeah, okay, we have no one. U plus a T1 plus T2 plus T3. U plus a by 2 whole divided by this is. Will become 3s it is. Okay, no, I think I have some mistake here. B minus C. B minus C, the equation B, the equation C, no? B minus C, 2s minus 3s, yeah, negative sign will come. Oh, I think it really troubled us a lot. Now, please do notice this. Yeah, this one. B minus C. 2s minus 3s will be minus s. Okay, now I have equation 4. This I'm going to add up. So here that negative sign. So 1 plus 2, 1 minus 2 plus 4. Minus of minus. 1 minus 2 minus of, okay, this will be. If I do that, okay, this will be, okay, minus of minus, it will come. I have to subtract this. Yeah, this will be. So then the expansion of this will be minus u plus, this will be plus, this will be plus. Okay. So then this will be u plus 81 minus or plus 82 by 2 plus 83 by 2. This will become 2t1 plus t2 plus t3. Okay, I think we have still I think I'm landing in trouble. Minus of minus, it will be plus, no? Here 81 by 2 minus of 81 by 2. Yeah. Okay, we'll see this. Okay, I think we needed here 3 years, that's all. This additional 2 is what coming. I should check now my equations. Yeah, fine. Okay, I think somewhere calculations had to be. Okay, this let me check this part. 81 by 2. Here 81 by 2. And we don't, other equations not visible properly. That's why we are facing a lot of problem. 81 by 2. Here 81 by 2 will get cancelled. 82 by 2 is left over. Okay, this will 81 by 2. This 81 by 2 will cancel out. Here I'll end up with minus of minus plus 81. Okay, this one and the plus 82. Here 82 by 2. So 82 by 2 will end up. Okay, there's no problem with this. I think only the problem is one now with the 81. If it were 81 by 2, the problem would have been solved. Okay, this equation I have to check once again. So many unknown things. T1, T2, here T1, T3, T2, T3. The only equation C, no, it is. Okay, I think the calculation part here, oh, here again we have missed it. A by 2, 2 T1, T2. Here A by 2, 2 T1, T2. This will get eliminated. B minus C when you take it, I think somewhere again I had to miss some sign. So U T1, T2. So U T3 will be left over. B minus C minus ut3. Yeah. B minus C. Let me. I'll simplify it. Okay, so I think I got it. So here there is some correction is there. The expansion of this will be so 2s minus s with this one. So when you take this a by 2 common, here the 2 should be there. Here 2 t1 is missing. I'll add up. Rest all everything is fine. All of you. So some correction at equation 2 was needed. It took almost 10 minutes for me to find out where the mathematics. Just some math-based mistakes usually happens in such numericals. Okay, I think this will be 2t1. The mistake where I gone, I'll indicate. Let me. Here is what this one. So this will become. Okay, this part is. I wrote my for reference. It took almost 10 minutes for me to fight with this. Now it will be 2t1, at2. Okay, this will be at1 will come. I think no question of cancellation. No. Let's see that. at1. Only 81. So 81, these two will cancel out. So all together will be left over with 81 by 2. Okay, this will not come. Finally, we arrived at the required equation. Little bit very difficult, so such math-based questions. So what is the LHS? 1 by T1. S on both sides will cancel out. Therefore, the proof 1 by T1. Just we have to fight with the mathematics here. We have to fight with the mathematics. Okay, that pink color I highlighted where we gone wrong. So some mathematics.